got a hot pack of Gypsy Queen 6 cards by Topps. So yeah, let's see how I'm gonna do this. There we go. Yeah, I'm not a fan of baseball, but I do pick up hot packs. That's weird. It's blue. Okay, if she plays baseball, I'm not sure, but that's kind of creepy. So there's the hit. I'm not sure who any of these people are. Let's see, Smith O. Ozzie Smith. Of the St. Louis Cardinals jersey card. Not that bad. I like how they do these jerseys with the mini card. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.